Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in to watch this video. Happy New Year to everyone. Wishing you guys the best for the year 2023. I wanted to wish you guys on the last video, but unfortunately that video was done and uploaded beginning of December, so I was just releasing just for the sake of uploading something and keep the channel going. Anyway, in today's video guys, we are doing laundry, although I won't be showing you guys step by step because I just want to keep it interesting, because if it's just only laundry, kind of like feel like it's boring, especially if I'm not playing so much music in the video. So I am going to be washing 4 loads of laundry. I am using Ariel. I'm using Ariel liquid. I will show you guys. I've mentioned so many times that I love Ariel, although it's pricey, but that's just my number one for now. That's just my number one washing detergent. So that's what I'm using today. I didn't have a lot of things. I didn't have sunlight. I didn't have all the usual that I usually use when I'm doing my laundry. Yeah, I don't know why. I have just been lazy to go to the shops, if I'm just being honest. Yeah, so I was just using that. I think I bought it during what is it, Black Friday. It was on sale, and yeah, this is what I'm using today. I just put a scoop of it and then I let it wash. It smells so good, guys. It smells really good. I also didn't have a fabric softener. Yeah, so yeah, I'm washing though only with this today, and the clothes did come out clean. Sometimes I feel like when you're washing with liquid, you feel like you're putting less, but that scoop was just perfect, just enough for everything that I wash, including my son's things. They all came out clean. So this is my second load now that I'm washing. As you can see, guys, inside the house it was a bit chilly. It was still the same day. I was wearing that green dress you saw earlier on, just that I just put a gown on top. In the house I like to put a gown. I think I must stop that habit. These are the lighter things now that I'm washing. This is a third load, and I'm putting bicarbonate soda and vinegar. I didn't have enough white, so it's just a mix up of everything. We've already put the detergent. And yeah, guys, so this year, guys, the plan is slightly different when it comes to my channel. The plan is not to share much this year, if I'm just being honest, which will make most of my videos to be silent videos. The reason that I will talk throughout the video is just that I'm avoiding playing music. According to my religion, music is a sin, actually, to actually just listen to music. It stops you from doing a lot of good stuff, like for example reading your Quran. It just somehow influences you in a bad way. So yeah, guys, if you have been noticing that I have been playing just instrumental music, because I'm just avoiding have to always listen to what the lyrics of the songs say and all that, and if there's any bad words in it and any other thing that is not right. So just to be on the safer side, I am just going to be playing more instrumental music, which I know it's boring for some people, but I'm just trying to improve myself at the end of the day. It's all about that, nothing else. But we are still going to be giving the same content as we have been giving all the time. The only thing is that this year, my concentration is not so much on YouTube, if I'm just being honest. We are having other things at back that we want to concentrate and balance life in general. but I do still hope that you will come and watch my videos and get motivation and get some inspiration. And you know what, just let's push life. And me being here on YouTube is just to show that the struggle is everywhere. It's a struggle all around, and I hope my videos, they come across as motivational for you and inspirational for you, as just being trying to be a good wife and a good mother, and trying to take care of my house, my palace. Yeah, so yeah, I hope it gives you inspiration while you're watching it. Yeah, so the other thing that I'm going to be doing in this video, I am on a journey to just improve my health overall. So I've gone back to juicing. I used to do juicing a lot before my son. Yeah, a lot of things I must say I was doing before my little one, and he's 4, which means I haven't been doing a lot of things recently for some time now. So I'm going back to my old me, trying to take care more of myself, still taking care of my family, but I think I have been neglecting my health a lot. Like I have been neglecting me in general. I've been neglecting me. I need to take care of myself at this moment, and I'm not even feeling ashamed about it. Like I must come first and be happy. Then everything will just fall into place if me, a mother, a wife, myself, I'm happy with myself and everything looks good, health wise, whatever, everything around me, emotionally, everything must be in place. So me and my husband are just doing only 7 days, only juice and smoothie. If we feel like, we are really hungry on the day, it would only just be salad, like your lettuce and cucumbers. Only that for 7 days, just to detox. Then we'll just try and eat healthy after that, clean diets. It's difficult. Day 1 was not easy, but I was able to pass it. The cravings was on another level. Yeah, so what I do, guys, is just that I buy bulk of, this is like 10 kg of beetroot that I have to cut it. Obviously I don't have a good juicer. I'm using Russell Hope, and I will not advise you to buy Russell Hope. I am sorry, but Russell Hope, this is my 4th juicer. This is my 4th juicer of from Russell Hope. The other 3 that I had before, I was buying, and then it will break before the guarantee time was finished. So I will give it back at game. I bought it at game, and then they would give me another one. So I haven't been juicing for such a longest time with this one that I have now. You can't do so much that I'm doing right now, if I'm being honest. So if you want to do like me, I would not advise you to buy the Russell Hope unless you just want to do juicing like small, like maybe 2 cups, 3 cups, not more than 3 cups of juice. And it shouldn't be like beetroot and carrots. Those are hard things. I think it's more for softer things, like your things that already have too much water, like your cucumbers, your oranges. Then I feel like that's best. Yeah, so here I am separating now the carrots, making it to 5 kg, and then I would also do a 5 kg of beetroot. I would put celery, I would put ginger, apples, and my first juicer. That was what I've put, but I will show you also. You will see also right now. So that's what I'm doing, guys. And then I freeze it, and then we drink it daily, at least, even if there's days where I don't make veggies, but we're able to still benefit some nutrition. I'm big on juicing, guys, because I don't really like veggies. I don't like chewing veggies, but I don't mind a smoothie. I don't mind just taking a straw and just gulp everything in. For me, that's not a problem. But sitting and chewing veggies, I don't think veggies they taste good. Like, really, you can try anyhow, but it's just not the best taste of food. Obviously, for your health, you need to eat it. That's what I'm doing. listen. You choose not to listen.
He went to the bathroom and get a brush.
So the back of the juicer, it's where all the extras they go. So I've decided to use a plastic since I was doing a lot and I didn't want to, always changing it to go clean it and coming back. So I decided just to put a plastic. Yeah, at first the plastic just blow like a balloon. Yeah, it was like, huh, what's happening? Then I said, okay, maybe I'm supposed to open it a bit because it's taking out some air, like very strong air when you're juicing. Yeah, so yeah, that's what we're doing, guys. But the sad part is this machine broke. Now. I need to see what I must get. I'm definitely not buying Russell Hope. And for the juicing that I like to do, definitely have to get something good, not just your normal juicer, because this just works for me. I hate daily cleaning of juicing, so I prefer to do it this way, to do it too much and freeze it. And I know I just take and this is our first day. Here was our first day of our challenge now. This was our breakfast. We already drank moringa tea, which I usually just put moringa, kalonji seeds, honey, and what else do I put? Apple cider vinegar. So here it's just after like an hour of drinking that tea. Now I'm putting almond milk, baby spinach, avocado, apples, and kiwi, and what is it, strawberries. Yeah, but I didn't make enough. And also I'm going to be putting chia seed. Make sure if you put chia seed, you let your smoothie sit a bit. You shouldn't eat chia seed just like that raw. You must make them sit in any liquid or in your smoothie, maybe for like 30 minutes, to let them what they call it, they must expand first, and then you can drink your smoothie. Yeah, I didn't make enough, but it was enough to keep us for like an hour or 2 hours. Then again I drank some juice. First day was difficult, as I said earlier on. It was extremely difficult. And second day, the body gets used to it and it was okay. Yeah, so this is a laundry here. I'm just quickly separating everything. As if you've been watching my videos, you know that for me it doesn't matter how much laundry it is. If I do this method, it just makes everything go smooth, and I don't get overwhelmed with so much laundry of just folding everyone's clothes all together. I separate my son's clothes, I separate my husband's clothes, my clothes. Then before folding, I take all the things that needs to be ironed. I have a lot of ironing also. I take away those things and I put it aside, fold it, I put it in a basket. It waits for me for another day, or sometimes I get someone to come iron for me. And then I fold like I start, maybe for example, I'll start with my things, then I finish with my things, come with my husband's things, my son's things. My daughter, she's kind of like more help with her things, but sometimes I help, so I separate it so I don't get overwhelmed. So here I was making filling for samosas. Schools are opening. My daughter loves potato samosas, so this, like, she can carry this every day. Like, really, she loves this. And she only loves potatoes, guys. When you come to my house and I offer you samosas, you should know that it's always just potatoes. If I make chicken or beef, it's not it like that. Just sits in the fridge. Okay, my husband eats it, but you know, they just love potatoes. I guess they're big on potato samosas. Yeah. So, but I don't fill in the samosas myself. I do send it to someone to fill it in for me. I just send my part and my filling, and I do know how to do it, but man, there's a lot of things that I'm doing that, we do need help sometimes. So the ladies are there. If that's your job to do, and you are able to pay to listen your work, then do that. So I don't do it myself, guys. So here I'm quickly just washing my bathtub, guys. It got the stains. The stains are from the drain. What is it this, guys, I'm gonna write it down for you. I'm already tired. It's early in the morning and I'm already tired. What is it? The drain cleaner. Yeah. So it left those stains there. This side where I'm showing you right now, it didn't fully take it out the stain, but you can just see with maybe more 3 washes it would completely be gone. This side, it was gone, guys. I just bicarbonate of soda with vinegar and a toothbrush to scrub it, and voila, it was gone. This year, guys, another thing that we are changing, we are not going to be trying different kinds of cleaning chemicals. We are trying to save money. So me trying to save money, which means that we are going to be using more of the natural stuff, like more of not so harmful stuff for cleaning. Yeah, so here in this spray here, it's just, what is it, sanitizer and sunlight liquid. So guys, any suggestion on what you think I should do better in this year when it comes to this channel? Any suggestion is really welcome. What you want to see more? Obviously, the channel is got limitations. I do not show my face. I do not show my family as much. But whatever you think I'm able to show, do recommend. I will appreciate your inputs, because this is our channel. At the end of the day, I come here and I share my struggles, guys. You guys are like my friend. You guys are like people who I come and just talk. Like when I tell you that, I think YouTube is kind of like something like that, where you just go and talk to people. I don't have a social life, guys. I really don't. So this is kind of like my social life. In a way, I socialize here with you guys, and yeah, it would be nice to get the input of what you guys think. Which direction should I take this channel? Although we are still keeping it at the same content, like at the same niche, but like any advice would be nice. Any advice would be nice. And I still say, if you subscribe here because of my cooking, kindly do go to Ayo's Cooking and subscribe that site. We are going to try and do things better this year. We are going to try and upload more videos. It won't be perfect videos. It will just be daily cooking, like me as a mom cooking, because when I want to make it perfect, it's where I don't get time to do it. So it will just be, I just cooking, it's me cooking, nothing special about it. But for people who want to learn to cook, they will get to learn something from it. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.